Hey everybody, got a very special tour for you guys today. We're back at Willard Equipment and we get to go back in the yard and see the really cool stuff. So this is kind of a walk back in time, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe. Like to see that. Here we go. Craft quality food. Oh, Chevrolet, Dad. What do you think this is? Late 40s? Don't get too far away, Pop. I need your expertise. Oh, yeah. All right. We're late for school. We're late for school. Well, there's a Farmall electrical thing in there. It's still got the seats. It's still got the seats. Lava rocks. An old belt pulley. Chainsaw. Chevrolet 60 series. Bus. This is probably... I like that.
Like 56 or 7, somewhere in there. Someone would know better than us.
Yeah, this bus I think is later. It's like 61, 62.
Someone would know.
Yeah. Like every junkyard, these are sort of extra storage. I'll put Randy's contact information again. See anything you have to have, you know, hit him up. 1968 sticker on this Elgin outboard. I know this guy's a bit stuck. Locked up. A lot of blue under that. I don't know. Ford. Okay, what's the wagon here, Dad? Is this a Ford? Oh man, 65, 66. Yeah, this has been here a bit. Will it run? Got some horns on it. Can we do a will it run? Dad, you want to see if we can get it started? Look, Falcon.
Yep, sure is.
62, somewhere in there.
Yeah. It's got 2 doors. It's got seats.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, digging the little Falcon. So this actually, stay tuned with us, folks. If you're the tractor guys we normally get, we're getting to that. This is a multi-genre kind of yard. There are agricultural, there are automotive things in here. They kind of do a little of everything. It's like an H nose. That old Chevy's cool. Is that a Dodge? Dodge, the only pickup endorsed by Don Knotts. Oh, gee, Andy. Because I would want the pickup endorsed by Don Knotts. Remember, folks, back in the day, Chevy had Haas from Bonanza. Dodge had Barney Fife. Anyway, it's a cool old truck. It's Continental. Edsel. Yeah. We're thinking this is some kind of Ford.
Someone will know.
One of you guys tell me. We're not sure. Okay, Ford LTD. Still got trim parts.
Yeah.
Still got some interior parts left. This is a big, good looking car when it was new. Big, pretty car. 7-Up truck. Digging the little, I don't know if it was a bread truck or an ice cream truck. Milk truck, I think. Oh, axles. Not real sure who's. Self-propelled 21. This is an IH push mower. That is an legitimately, it's a Cub Cadet push mower. These things are rare. I guess we can see that on the way back up there. There's a loader tractor, a 90s, a lot of commercial vehicles. Ford. Ford product. Say early 50s. Panel delivery. N 9N Alice WD. No, it's not 8N, it's a Jubilee, I think. I'm not a super Ford guy, but do my best. Yeah, if you're into old panel deliveries, this is a fun place to check out. Look at these guys. Yeah. Something heating. What do you think this one is, Dad? Or can't you tell? Oh, it's a flat front. How cool is this? Ah. Oh, pricker bush. I really can't tell. It's got a split grill. Might be international. This is why we do this, folks. This is why we do this. There's a brake assembly off a Super C right there. The shims I'm looking for, but they're all nasty. Oh, wow. All right, I'm in a raspberry bush. John Deere, guys. Got some 2-cylinder remnants. I'm so glad I cleared this phone. Dad's a mile ahead of me. Ford product, I think. Willie's wagon. These are cool. It might be a Pontiac, that wagon. It looks like it says Tempest on it. Saw this the other day. That's truck parts. This looks like an old corn picker. Single front wheel on this, not narrow front, single front. Oh, it's an FR8. This had to have been a Silver King. Probably not old enough to be a Plymouth. But it's got the Fate Root Heath Company, Plymouth, Ohio. You know, if you're looking for a drawbar for one of these, or that front axle assembly, you know, here it is. That GMC Suburban, Dad. Remains of an old Silver King down here. Is it? Okay. Early international, straight axles, no drops. Means it's F12, something like that. Yeah, Chevy Suburban. Get more of a side shot of them. Yeah, we gotta go down here too. This may be a two-part video, Dad. Later model deer, I believe. Very picked over. Another one back there in the weeds. Another old John Deere there. Farmall M sitting here. We were trying to get the wheel weights off this one earlier. This one had a live hydraulic pump at one point. It's got a two-way valve on it. It's got remotes. Had an M&W clutch extension that's long gone. This guy had some nice toys on his. Oh, another really old deer. More Farmall action. Got the ammo box for tools in the back. What do you have in here, pal? Ooh, had remotes. Had Pioneer remotes on it. Those are nice. Had a non-IH Christmas tree on there on this guy. What's the old car, Dad? Did you see it? Yeah, Dad and I can't decide really what this is. It's late 40s, early 50s, judging by the split windshield. Is that a Chevy 5-window? A little tiny lift cylinder on this. Must have had one implement. The yellow painted industrial Deere. Oh, love it. Light rust. Still got the 6-cylinder in there. It's got an old service box on it. This is neat. Got an H here on cut offs. Got a homemade battery box on there. Kind of wild adapted hitch. FBA. This was a loader tractor. It's got, like it says, a style pump on it. It's got a big reservoir. It's got a control valve. That was some remnants of a Cub Cadet. Wide frame model. A Beauty Rest mattress. Not entirely sure what that guy is. Might be a case, maybe. There's another Silver King, my God. Another Silver King. Boy, you want, this may be our cover picture.